Hi Libra, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at your energies at this time. So, the energies are going to be seen for the week which is coming in from 9th to the 15th of April, and this is for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Libra, people having Libra in their chart substantially, and this is for the collective of Libra, if you understand that way. So, what's happening in your environment? In your environment, there is Ten of Pentacles. So, there is some kind of feeling of stability, influence of stability, family riches, family support in this time period. So you will be getting family support. So family support can come from homestead, family money, or people with you, people giving you lot of support, and they could be influencing your decision making in this time period. It could be affecting your long term, regarding your economy, or could be about a long term situation of marriage or some kind of stable situation in your life. There could be reunion on the cards, parties, invitation with the Three of Cups. You could be getting reunited with your family. With the Sun card, there is also the influence of Sun here, and the Sun influence gives us the energy of clarity, energy of name, fame, recognition, happiness, good environment, good relationship with children. So you are coming out of a situation where you were in some kind of issue or a problem, but in this time period, in the week of 8th to the 15th, with the Lovers and the Strength card, you are going to show a lot of courage, motivation, compassion regarding a harmonious choice in life. It could be connected to personal life, could be connected to partnership, could be connected to long term energies that you need to think about or make a choice about. So this is a good energy, this is an energy of good love situation. Because of your compassion, because of your patience, because of your courage, you are reaching this situation, Libra. And in terms of your economy, with the Nine of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles, you are in a very good situation with the help of family, friends, or people who are rallying to support you. You are getting into a situation you are rewarded for. So you have worked for something for a long time, and that is going to give you good dividends in this time period. You, however, do not need support. You are a self made person, you are self reliant, but at this time, there is this rally of support coming to you, Libra. A new situation is arising in your life with the Ace of Wands. This is happening because you were prospecting and you have decided to step out of your comfort zone. You are not in any dire situation. You are very stable. You have earned your name, fame, and riches, and you also have the support of friends, family, and colleague, or a long term situation of a job or some experience in this time period which is going to influence your economy. So unexpectedly in this time period, with the Wheel of Fortune and the Empress card, you are getting into a new situation where you will be seeing new launches, you will be seeing a new job, you could be seeing a decision in love that is very nurturing, caring, and it is beginning as a new opportunity in love or relationship. You could be also giving birth to children, or a birth is taking place in your family. So you have decided on, so you had decided on your long term future, and in this time period you could be traveling unexpectedly. There is going to be an entry of a feminine power, or it is your own feminine power, because Empress is also Libra energy. So this energy is going to give you abundance in this time. So you are coming out of 5 of cups and 2 of pentacles. You were multitasking and you were weighing your options. You were sad about a situation, but with the justice card, there is a balance coming to you. Fairness will be dealt out to you, or you will be in a fair situation, balanced situation in your life. And all this is coming to you. The good results are coming to you because of your compassionate being, because of you being courageous even under stress. So and also you were kind to people when you were in stress. So what's coming to you in this time period as your outcome is a wheel of fortune and the devil. So you will be coming out of the lowering energies or sticky energies in this week. You could be coming out of bad habits or addictions. You could be coming out of bad relationships or relationship issues, or where you were very dependent on someone. So right now your mindset will be changing. You will be breaking free or expanding in this time period. However, your comfort zone is very good where people are giving you support, but you are going to extend or expand or go to some other place, move to another location, like people are bidding you farewell or they are asking you to stay back. Whatever it is, Libra, you are going to get out of a situation which had made you kind of stagnant. And now with the wheel of fortune, something is going to give you a lucky chance. With the king of swords, you are going to take the correct decision. You are going to find your voice. You are going to speak up and speak the truth. You are going to take action. You are going to consolidate your environment in this time period. So what's coming to you could be mature man and a mature woman, could be mother father energy, could be people who are elder to you, brother sister who are elder to you. They could be giving you some advice, support, or coming in to help you. Or you could be the mature man, mature woman, having a person's influence who is a privileged lady, could be a young niece, girlfriend, or someone who is into the riches. So there is a sudden wealth coming in to some of you. Some of you are getting some unexpected income, or an unexpected source of income is going to be found. So the 9 of pentacles, 10 of pentacles definitely is talking about great money situation, great house, luxury and riches coming to you in this time. Or you could be feeling that abundance around you, and your feeling of abundance is coming after a long struggle in your life, and you must enjoy it. So the abundance mindset is also your advice from the abundance angels. They are saying, if you think of your abundance as something that happens in the future, then it will always be one day away from you. So see, feel, think exactly what I am saying, that enjoy your abundance because you are in this time period in abundance situation. See, feel, think, and speak of abundance as something you already have in the present moment, and that is what you will experience. So you are going to experience with your abundance mindset abundance in this time period, because you are the empress. You are the person who will get the fair deal. You are the king of swords who will consolidate their riches, their environment, their money, their job situation, their love situation, their relationships. So you will be in great strength at this time, Libra. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me through the email ID in the description box for a personal reading if you want one. Take care. Keep watching Tarot Priestess 1313. I'll be bringing more readings for you. Bye bye.